This aircraft is powered by a Pratt Whitney PT6A 66XT turboprop engine with over 1,800 horsepower. It has a maximum cruise speed of 330 knots, a maximum range of 1,730 nautical miles, and a maximum altitude of 31,000 feet. This model has a maximum takeoff weight of almost 7,400 pounds and a maximum payload of about 1,400 pounds. This aircraft has a fuel capacity of 292 gallons. The TBM 910's Garmin G1000 NXi avionics have high-resolution screens and powerful CPUs. This hardware makes it possible for maps to be shown in real time and for pilots to have a buttery-smooth interaction with the display. With Garmin synthetic vision technology, the high-resolution screens give the pilot a great sense of what's going on around them.